take a look at this product that I found on Aliexpress, and it costs from $1 in some countries and up to $6 US. And it comes in different colors. You can choose green, white, gray, black, pink. And what is this? It's a wireless earphones T2 Bluetooth 5.1 headset, sports headphones, LED digital display, stereo sound earbuds, BT30. They look to me very amazing, and I ordered it gray. I paid $2 for this gadget and I got it. Oh, finally wrapped in bubbles. Ooh, I love bubbles. Okay. By the way, there is no package. They are wrapped in this zip bag. Ooh, what is this? 82%. We have a blinking blue light. Small instruction manual. Short Type-C USB cable for charging the unit. And take a look, it's already turned on. Because this thing is activated by human touch. That's why. Let's. Oh, this is beautiful, transparent case with that LED display showing that the battery is fully charged. It's not fully charged, it's 82%, and right now on the display is flashing the right headphone that is charging. How to pull out? Oh, this way. And take a look. And now the both are charging. While flashing on the display is charging. When stop flashing is fully charged. Also, can you see it? It says left and right. But take a look, the case is beautiful. This is not white, this is gray, transparent case. At bottom we have the Type-C charging port, the small display showing the case battery. Now it's at 82%. You just plug in like this and they will charge. This is fully charged or no? Oh no. Alright. But take a look at this case. It looks amazing. For so much little money you can get this kind of very cool headphones. You don't need to spend a lot of money on earphones. You can get just like this and hear music or just for talking. Alright. Let's plug in the Type-C cable and see with how much milliamperes is charging this thing. Of course, using my USB doctor or USB meter, plug in, and now on the display the second number is flashing, meaning that it's charging. Okay, and it's pulling 320 milliamperes. That is decent and it's okay. Great job. Alright. Okay, let's connect with the smartphone, turning the Bluetooth on, and take a look how many Bluetooth devices I have tested. Too many. I need to remove from the case. Alright. And here it is, TWS. Pairing. Bluetooth pairing request. Okay. And we are ready to go. And yes, they are working. Can you hear it? For so much little money you can get decent headphones, wireless, rechargeable, in that beautiful case, transparent case with display. Alright. Also they have a control. When you touch it, the music will pause, double, will play. Yes, it's working fine. Also they have a function for next and previous music track, and that is alright. On the headphones they are marked which one is the right, which one is the left. And these metal points are for charging the earpieces. And this one. And when you place into the case, the music stop. Okay, removing. Okay, play. And they are working. Also, you can use only one earpiece while the other is charging. That is a great thing. Okay. Small gadget, headphones, for very small price. How they can even produce this kind of gadget for so little money? I can't believe it. What? Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! No, not working now, but I need to remove them. Like this. Are now connected? No. Now are connected. For a couple of seconds when you remove from the case, they will be connected with the phone. Beautiful.